Hello again, fellow hardware enthusiasts and water cooling geeks. Welcome to my final part of my Ryzen Build Log. It's time to fill that bitch. Okay, without further ado, let's do that shit. Hopefully, no motherfucking leaks. I'm gonna cure. So I just added 100 ml of distilled water as a start, and then we'll see how much fluid it needs. So far so good. Time to add some more fluids. More fluids! Yes. Right, so I'm at 1.1 liters now. I need to add 100 milliliters of P coolant. No, it's EK's acid. No, lime green. Bad news, I think I got a leak, baby. Leak! Fuck! Leak!